Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install the current Python version, that is Python 3.9.7. With that we will also see how we can run our first Python program. So let's see. At first go to the browser. We are using Chrome, you can use any browser. On Google search type Python. On typing Python press enter. Herein you can see the official website is visible, python.org. Click on it to open. On clicking you can see the Python website is visible official. Just keep the mouse cursor on downloads. Herein you can see always the current version is visible. Here it is, download for Windows. We want it for Windows 10 64-bit. So we will go for the following. Click on it to download. Click on Python 3.9.7. Herein you can see the download started for 64-bit. It's only 27 MB. You need to wait for a few seconds. Let's wait. Herein you can see guys, we successfully downloaded it. Now double click on it to install. Minimize this. Now the setup started. 3.9.7 for 64-bit. Herein two options are visible, install now and customize installation. At first set the path, that is add Python 3.92 path. This is most important. Herein you can straight away click on install now, but I'll click on customize installation. Herein you can see it will also install pip. Pip is a package management software which allows you to install different Python packages. So I'll install it. I'll also install IDLE. We will run our first program, Python program on IDLE, which is an IDE, that is integrated development environment for Python, available with Python installation. With that, keep the default for test suite and launcher. Let's click on next. Advanced option I'll install for lower users. Herein you can see keep all as it is. It will also set the Python to environment variables. Okay. It will install it under program files and it will create a Python 3.9 directory and all the files of the Python installation will go inside it. If you want to change the location, click on browse, but I'll keep the same. Click on install. Now the setup started. You need to wait for a few seconds. So herein you can see guys, setup is successful. Click on close. Now let us verify the installation. Go to start, type cmd, click on open to open it. Herein to verify the installation of Python, type python -- version and press enter. Herein you can see the current version, we installed it successfully, 3.9.7. Let us check the pip version also. Type pip -- version and press enter. Herein you can see we installed it successfully, pip also. So now let us minimize this and view where we installed Python. Herein go to C drive. If you remember, it was in C drive, program files, Python. Here it is, I told you, Python 3.9 folder. So here are all the files of Python. Now let us run our first Python program. So I hope you remember that we installed IDLE also. Go to start, type IDLE, click on open to open it. So IDLE is an ID for Python which we just installed while installing Python. Click on open. You can straight away run your Python programs here. Herein you can see you can straight away run, type anything. The syntax was visible. That's it. Press enter. You can see we printed Amit Things. This is how you can run your program, or you can go to CMD again, type py here and press enter. Herein also you can run your Python program in shell. Type, let's say I'll print the same. I'll printing first Python program. Press enter. You can see we ran it successfully. If you want to create a Python file, you can create it anywhere. Herein, let's say, right click. I'll type, let's say the name is demo. I'll remove .txt and type .py because py is an extension for Python. When you keep the cursor here or press enter, it will show that you want to change the file extension or not. Click yes. Yes, I want to change the file extension. Now you can see the Python file. Right click, click on properties. Herein you can see it is the Python file. Click on OK. Now let us right click and you can straight away edit with IDLE, or you can use Notepad. I'll use Notepad++. Let us quickly print something. File, save. Now what you can do, you can open IDLE, go to file, click on open. reach the desktop and just straight away type demo.py. It will show you. Click on run and click on run module, and you can see the output is visible Amit thinks. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install Python, the current version on Windows 10 64-bit. We also ran our sample Python program. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks.